How to fix voicemail notification not working in Realme C73. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications, and here you can allow your notifications. After allow your notifications, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all your settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.